Ultriva is a solution that's really helped us with many issues that we encountered in material flow. The challenge of how you order parts, the way you receive parts, the way you connect with your suppliers. Ultriva offered a solution that allowed us to bring it all into one platform.
We've worked with them for over 11, 12 years now. The application that we started with is different than what we have today, just because of the feedback that we've been able to give them, and they've taken that and put it into their applications.
Prior to Ultriva, we didn't really have a single solution for ordering our direct material. We had a variety of different ways to do it. Some people used MRP, some people did line of balance spreadsheet, some of them was literally a visual Kanban. You just go out and take account of what you have in the factory and tell your supplier to send more.
The platform allows our suppliers to be able to see releases for the day, for the future. It also allows them to see future forecasting. They can pull reports to see what's been received, what's still in transit. You can imagine how many people it would take if you had many different systems ordering. Ultriva gives us that one system.
Without Ultriva, we couldn't process the amount of inbound material that we have in the time that we do it now.
Not only has Ultriva been a great system for material movements, it's also been a great system for productivity.
After we launched Ultriva, then a few years later, we got introduced to RFID, which there was another big savings now. So now you don't have somebody manually scanning barcodes, everything gets automatically received when it comes through.
I'd say we probably saved somewhere in the neighborhood of 20% on our productivity. Ultriva is very user-friendly. It does not take someone with a great computer skill set to be able to operate this. It's very easy to transaction material, whether it's receiving, whether it's a put away, whether it's a issue a card out to get a new order in. Anyone can do this system. Ultriva also allows us to have a better carbon footprint, better sustainability. We're able to use the software with our suppliers to consolidate loads to make sure that we're keeping a lean footprint in the plant. So we're reducing the carbon emissions that come into our factory as well. They've always worked with us when we wanted to trial something and test something. We've had a great partnership and back and forth of trying different things, and we're making solutions that are helping us for the future as well as today.
With them listening to us and being a part of kind of what we do here, they understand the needs of their product, and they use that to make it a better product for other customers.
I was here prior to Ultriva, and I can tell you the night and day difference. It's really enabled us to go to the next level.
Ultriva is our backbone. If you take it away from us, you would cripple our organization. The number of systems we would have to add to replace it is immeasurable. The cost it would take to create those systems would be extremely high. If you're looking for a solution for your material flow, for your receiving, for your releases to your suppliers, Ultriva is a great customer to partner with. It's been very seamless when we integrate it into our facility. The team has been very supportive. They're very responsive when we have issues, and it's really helped consolidate all the material movements and transactions and be able to focus on what's important, and that's keeping our customer with parts.